Hello, this is the MPPT series. It have the blue ones and the silver one and the yellow one. It have the 20 ampere to the 120 amperes. You can see this is it. And the 60 ampere to the 80 ampere is the wholesale ones. And the 100 ampere and the 120 ampere, we have the bigger appearance. And also, this one you can charge to your battery, and you can connect the solar panels through the solar charge controller to charge to your battery. It also can supply the power to your DC loads like the DC lights and the DC frequencies and so on. And you can see this is the LCD and the LED displays. And also you can see this one. We have the intelligent cooling systems. And you also see it can hold the controller on your wall. This is the LCD and the LED display. You can see this is the charging lights, and this one is the DC loads. And you can see the buttons. This is the menu button and the down and the up and the enter buttons. And also you can see here is the pattern is the MPPT solar charge controller. You can see here is the MPPT connection. You can see here is the temperature sensor port, and here is the solar panel port. And this is the battery port and the DC load port. Here you can see is the RS485. You can connect the Wi-Fi box. This is the including fan systems. Okay, you can see this is the MPPT solar charge controller parameter in it. You can see the model is 16 ampere, and the battery voltage you can see is the 20, 24 and the 48 transient. And also you can see here is the battery output current is the 60 ampere. This is the batteries, and we connect the wire from the MPPT solar charge controller port. You can see this one is the positive pole and this one is the negative pole. And okay, we connect the battery wire. We open the solar charge controller and open it. This is the 12 voltage. And here we connect the battery. Our MPPT solar charge controller will turn on auto. You can see here is the main menus, and we put on this port. You can see this is the parameter. And first you can see this is the language setting. Here we also have the English one and the Chinese, and we select the English. Okay, you can see this one is the time and date address. You can see here you can set the day and the time in it. It can record your parameter. And here we go to the next menu. And this is the contrast address. If you want to light it, you can adjust it. You can see the LCD display have some adjust it. And here the next one is the brightness adjust. This one if adjust it, you can light on it. And the next one is the sound setting. The sound setting it also can the on and the off. If you on, this is on. And the next one is the record curves. Here you can see the curve record curve and the force record curve. And enter is we will have some data if you connect it. And the next one is our delete record. And you can see here is some parameter in it. If you want to turn on it, you can put on the yes, it's okay. And we back it. And the next one is the system inform query. Here you can see the system parameter in it. You also can see in the LCD displays. And the next one is the DC output settings. Here is you can see the DC outputs. You can select the authors, and you also can select the time. You can select which time on and which time off. And the next one is the communication setting. Here you can see. And the next one is the parameter settings. Enter it, you will connect the passport. The password is the free in and the free out. You can see, enter it, you can see the parameter setting. This one is the battery time setting. Select it, you can see it have the free times in it, like the AGM and the GELs and the SLA. Here we select the liens, and we select the liens. This one is selected successfully, and we back it. Here is the battery rate voltage. We enter it, it have the 12 voltage and the 24 voltage and the 36 voltage and the 48 voltage. This is the 4 voltage. We select the 12 voltage. And we back it, you can see here the next one is the charging voltage settings. Here you can select your full charging if you can set you like according to your battery parameter. And the next one is the charging current settings. In here you can see the current is the 60 ampere because this current input is this one. And the next one, our menu is the discharge limit voltage set. You can see here. And we go in. Here you can see the parameter in it. And the next one is the battery reset. If you want to select to the battery reset, you can put on. If you require or to the yes, the MPPT parameter will require to the battery reset. So we don't. We back on. This is the main menus. You can see this one have. You can see the solar panel in it. Here, if you connect the solar panel, it can record the voltage. And here is the amperes, and this is the battery voltage. And here you can see the daily lights, and this is the total power. And you can put this one. You can see your parameter you set it. You can see here is the controller temperature. Also you can see the select, and this is the current, and this one is the power current. Okay, this is the main menu for it. This is the solar charge controller.